Playing a bit of poker. It's a snowy walk today. We're wading through it. A bit of an expedition to a place I call the Lung Forest. It's about 3.5 miles walk. Didn't help. We met up at the pub, the Ancient Britain. Sipped all our 2 pints. And now we got a bit of a trek. But we're in the hot tent tonight. They don't know it's a sunny day down there, look. We're above the clouds. Got Fambrecainog there. So he's got to slide across with his skis. Go on then, show us what the hokers can do. We're getting there now, like. Investigating this river, look, it's going downstream. There must be a cave there. Well, that's the end of the river. Goes down underground somewhere. Got a deer track here. Look at that. Just goes right through the forest. You're obviously like scraping the branches off as they're going past. First problem. We've got a mushroom. We're getting right to the heart of Lung Forest now. And you can see it's a massive expanse of woodland which goes on for miles. You can feel the temperature dropped as soon as we entered for some reason. I thought it would have been a bit warmer in here, like. Obviously it's out of the shade all day. A stunning little valley now. Just following this stream all the way up. Struggling on, I just fell over. Managed to dodge the mud. Land on a big lump of moss. Right, we got the spot. Quite a bit of frozen ground over here. This is where I was camping last time, look. I don't know what this is for.
Hey, leave it. Leave it.
Poppy's after the antler. It looks like it was built into the hillside, doesn't it? Sort of dug that away.
Gonna be solid. Gonna pull them in, alright? Start cooling off when we stopped, didn't it?
Yeah. See my muck in the tent now. We didn't bring an axe or saw today, we brought Poppy. She's going to chop her up into kindling for us. In return, she gets a tin of dog food. So he's got the new, what is it, Dura 60s, yeah?
6R.
6R. And some say he's a glutton, he uses 2 pillows. Some might say he's a glutton. Others say he's greedy. Right, come on a little search for wood. Come across this branch, just come down recently. On closer inspection, but that's still alive. So that means, yeah, can you see that? It's alive underneath there. It's dead on the top, so we need to trace it back. There's buds on this. Then after that, I think it all starts to be dead. So around about here is the dead part. I'm going to go for this section. And then we got all the rest of this wood then. Mange tout.
Mange trois. Baby mushrooms.
Some sort of curry, isn't it?
Old Uncle Ben's. Tiger Gary kit. The chicken.
Man, this freezing there. In the ice. No sizzle to it, man.
Yeah, it's still blooming, isn't it? No, it's
Is
starting
it?
to go.
Is it boiled?
Yep, she's a blooming.
So apparently I got to fill up to line D on this one. Each one is different, I guess.
In the video, like,
Ah.
bit of Enya, like. With the music.
That's actually what we're listening to right now.
That's banging.
The Enya album. Greatest hits. Alright, come on. Show your food. I'm mucking about your booth, then.
There you go. See it was.
That's it. Oh, nice one.
Babies, eh?
One of these jelly babies. Playing a bit of poker. With cherry and granola now. Hey!
Rattling rum.
What's the percentages of these stouts?
8.4. 8, I think that one is.
Bear in mind, you had about 6 points before these.
7.4.
I got some from last beer actually. I got a love and hate. 7.2. And a Sticky Pop 7.3. Everything's iced up this morning. The socks are poking out the end of the tent, frozen solid. There's a weird shape to the back end of this tent. Super strange, huh? This is how you can tell it's cold. And all it was is a solid lump. That is absolutely freezing. Here's his antenna he found, look. It's been lying in the woods a few years, I think.
Grab a black coffee. We felt like that.
Right, morning oats now. Yeah, this brand is pretty good. It takes ages to rehydrate though. It's like proper dehydrated. Fully. Put the icy socks on, but they're freezing. I gotta try these, like.